If Gimp is giving you an error when loading an image, don't worry. This is usually caused by a corrupted cache, broken plugin settings, or a missing file handler for that image type. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to troubleshoot the problem, fix it step by step, and get Gimp loading images normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, open Gimp and go up to Edit, then click Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for Folders, then click Plugins. On the right side, you should see an option to reset the plugins folder. Click that reset option, confirm it, and then click OK. This helps clear out any bad plugin path settings or temporary issues that may be stopping Gimp from loading files correctly. After that, close Gimp completely and restart it so the changes can take effect. If the image still will not load, the next thing to check is whether Gimp actually has support for that file format. Go to Help, then open the procedure browser. In the search box, type the file format you are having trouble with. For example, if the image is JPEG, search for JPEG. You should see both a load procedure and an export procedure for that format. That tells you Gimp has the correct plugin support installed. If you do not find a load procedure for your file type, that is a strong sign that your Gimp installation may be missing components or is corrupted. In that case, the best fix is to reinstall Gimp completely. Before reinstalling, you can also check whether the file extension is actually supported by Gimp and whether the image itself is damaged. Sometimes the file may be renamed incorrectly, partially downloaded, or saved in a format Gimp cannot read. If you have another copy of the image, try opening that one as well. If Gimp can open other images but not this one, the issue is probably with the file. If Gimp cannot open any images at all, the problem is more likely with the installation or plugins. So the quick order of fixes is this. Reset the plugins folder, check the procedure browser for the correct file handler, and if the format support is missing, reinstall Gimp. These steps solve most image loading errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. And if this video helped you fix Gimp, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.